At Hydraulic Cylinders, Inc., we have a wide range of replacement hydraulic cylinders designed specifically for John Deere equipment. We offer replacement cylinders for various John Deere models, including excavators, mini excavators, skid steers, compact track loaders, haul trucks, and off-highway articulated dump trucks. Our cylinders are engineered to meet or exceed OEM specifications for performance and reliability. Order by noon Central Time for same-day shipping on in-stock items. Our team dedicates itself to helping you find the right hydraulic solution. We use a proprietary database to verify compatibility and ensure a perfect match for your equipment. Visit hydrauliccylindersinc.com to shop our large selection and keep your John Deere equipment performing at its best.